Hey guys, what's up? What is up? Kill You Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. This here, shout out to Bog Stomper, my very first member. This video is for you, buddy. So we are in, what happened? Did you stab yourself in the head? Oh. We are in the smack dab middle of the power outage. 36-hour power outage, 2026. And finally, we got a screen door. So that's what we're going to be doing today. This is a members only video until it goes public. So I got my brother-in-law here getting this out. So this is going to be really cool. It's not your typical hanging screen door. This is going to be a sliding screen door. So let me get this out of the box and we'll see what it looks like. And I think I need to do some trimming because that's a custom door. So let's see. What are you yapping about? My chickens are going nuts over here. So I decided to name him Rose. Can you guess why? Can you guess why I call him Rose? Look at this thing on his face. I don't know what that's called. He's always beating up on this poor little one here. Oh, shush. Yeah, so no power. We've been swimming to keep cool. If you wonder why that water is a little off color, it's because it's well water. It did pass through my 3-stage water filter, but still just will not clear the water crystal clear. Got all of our solar panels here charging, lights charging for later tonight. Even got this little one charging my speaker. Got my fan charging. Got our extra water there for watering the plants in a little bit. We gotta do another coat of water. All right, let me help him get this open or else it's gonna take all day. Oh, there it is, look at this. So this is the screen door. This was about 2,000 pesos, so about less than 40 bucks. I'm gonna have to trim it to fit in the doorway there, frame. So let's check it out. All right, here we go. Go ahead and try it out. Let's see what happens. So look at this. Screen door for the blackout. Good, close it. Nice. Well, there you go, guys. All right. I'm gonna go relax in front of the fan. It is hot. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. To the members, peace.